Okay. Well, as you saw yesterday, I broke one of the fittings on the radiator for the vertical engine, the ETX. So I'm gonna not start that one right away. To find out if my plan for it is going to be clever enough to work, but that will happen later. Right now, I also took the spring off the governor here on the ET7 to maybe make that run a bit slower. So we are gonna try that out and see. Come on. Should really get a precision oiler instead of just dumping oil on here until it gets where I want it to go, but yeah, so I have already put gasoline in all of the engines and put batteries in and checked the batteries out. Make sure we have spark. So we'll be ready to try out the ET7 here in a moment after I'm done dripping a touch of oil on everything. Alright, so grab this pulse starter, set that out of the way, ignition on, keep the needle valve closed for a second to make sure that we didn't flood it. Alright. Okay, maybe I did flood that really badly when I filled it. The fuel line on the ET7 is so long that if you're not careful while you're trying to get the air out of it, it will end up getting a lot of fuel in the engine. That has to be dried out now. Okay. Right. Maybe that's the magic setting. This one, remember the needle valve in it is a little bit sensitive because it's a bit different shape than the other ones, so it runs at like a quarter turn. When it had both the springs on, and at a slower speed it needs a little more delicate adjustment, but I think I have it. Maybe it'll run like that for a minute. Try not to look at it cross-eyed and upset the balance. Well, that certainly runs a lot nicer with one spring on it. Significantly slower than it did with both springs.